In this video, we'll transform your basic YouTube intros into captivating visuals using Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's kick things off by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and starting a new project. Set up your sequence according to your desired resolution, such as the 1920 by 1080 HD format. Now, import all of your essential media assets. This includes your logo, brand colors, background videos. Simply drag and drop them directly into the project panel to begin. Time to include the text to your intro. You can customize the font, size, and position of these intro titles after selecting the type tool in the toolbar. Click anywhere within the preview to begin adding your title. Let's create some visual interest by adding animation to your text and graphics. You do this by experimenting with the effects panel. Play with transitions and effects, such as fades and wipes, to make your intro video much more dynamic. To create a template, you can use the Essential Graphics panel to promote any changes you make once animated. Select your text and graphics on the timeline. Promote to template to make future updates easier. When you've finished creating the perfect video, export it. Go to File greater than Export greater than Media and choose your format. Select a video format that suits your needs and export for sharing. And there you have it, the conclusion of our intro template tutorial.